The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is gaining significant attention due to recent leaks, and fans are eager to see what's next. With each generation, Samsung has improved its foldable lineup, with expectations for this model being higher than ever. Could this be the most refined version yet? In this video, we'll go over the latest rumors and leaks and find out everything about this upcoming Fold 7. Let's begin. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to adopt a revolutionary redesign inspired by the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. The device is expected to feature a significantly larger 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X cover display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ certification. When unfolded, users may experience an expansive 8-inch main display, with a resolution possibly reaching 2208 by 1768 pixels. Samsung is working to reduce the device's thickness dramatically, achieving measurements comparable to traditional smartphones when folded, around 7.7 millimeters. The display technology is said to incorporate next-generation blue phosphorescent OLED panels, which could deliver superior energy efficiency while maintaining Samsung's renowned display quality. The main screen is expected to retain the ultra-thin glass protection, though rumors hint at improvements in durability and crease visibility reduction. The cover display might feature Corning's latest Gorilla Glass armor protection, enhancing scratch resistance and drop protection. The device's overall form factor is anticipated to be more refined, with improved hinge mechanics that could allow for a gapless fold. This advancement would not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also provide better protection against dust and debris. The redesigned hinge might also offer smoother operation and improved durability over previous generations, with a potential upgraded dust resistance rating alongside the existing IPX8 water resistance. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Early benchmarks suggest significant improvements, with single-core scores reaching 3,137 and multi-core scores hitting 9,936 in Geekbench 6. The device is anticipated to offer configurations with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, while the base model might feature 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The device is expected to support Wi-Fi 7 with up to 5.8 gigabits per second speeds, ultra-wideband technology, and enhanced 5G connectivity across both sub-6 GHz and millimeter wave frequencies with theoretical download speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. Samsung might also include an improved under-display fingerprint sensor on both screens, potentially utilizing third-generation ultrasonic technology for better accuracy and security. The device is likely to maintain its IPX8 water resistance rating for submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, though improvements in dust resistance might be introduced through advanced hinge design. The camera system on the Z Fold 7 might see substantial upgrades, adopting the 200-megapixel main sensor previously introduced in the Galaxy Z Fold SE, featuring optical image stabilization and an f/1.7 aperture. This could be complemented by a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor offering a 123-degree field of view. The under-display selfie camera on the main screen might see improvements in image quality through advanced AI processing and a new 12-megapixel sensor, while the cover screen could feature a 10-megapixel punch-hole camera. The camera system is expected to support 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second, with enhanced stabilization features including advanced optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization working in tandem. The Z Fold 7 is anticipated to run on Android 15-based One UI 7, which leakers mention will bring the most significant interface changes in the series' history. The software experience might include enhanced multitasking capabilities with the ability to run up to 4 apps simultaneously, new productivity features specifically designed for the foldable form factor, and improved app continuity between displays. The S Pen support is expected to continue, though rumors indicated potential improvements in latency to under 2.8 milliseconds and pressure sensitivity levels up to 4096. Performance-wise, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor could enable new AI features, including advanced camera processing, real-time translation with support for over 40 languages, and enhanced gaming capabilities with ray tracing support. The device might introduce new gesture controls and improved flex mode features, allowing for more intuitive interactions when partially folded. Samsung is also expected to enhance DeX mode functionality, potentially offering a more desktop-like experience when connected to external displays, with support for up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz. Security features might include an improved knock system with real-time threat detection, new privacy features, and enhanced data protection. The device could also introduce advanced biometric authentication methods, combining facial recognition with the under-display fingerprint sensor for heightened security. While maintaining the 4,400 mAh battery capacity, the Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature significantly improved power efficiency through its display and optimized processor. The device might finally upgrade to 45-watt wired charging capability, reaching 70% charge in just 30 minutes. Wireless charging is expected to remain at 15 watts, with reverse wireless charging capabilities maintained at 4.5 watts. The device may also introduce new power management features, including AI-based optimization for extended battery life. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 at its annual Unpacked event, likely scheduled for July or August 2025. The device is rumored to maintain its predecessor's pricing strategy, starting at $1,899. Pre-orders are expected to begin immediately following the announcement, with various trade-in offers reaching up to $1,000 off and promotional bundles including Galaxy Buds or watch devices to help offset the premium price point. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 looks like it could be a game-changer for Samsung's foldable lineup. With all the buzz about upgrades in design, performance, and features, it seems like Samsung is really tuning into what users want. They're keeping that high-end vibe while tackling past issues and rolling out some cool innovations. Sure, the price might be a bit steep for some, but with Samsung's trade-in deals and special offers, this cutting-edge tech could be within reach for more people. As we gear up for its big reveal in the summer of 2025, early signs suggest it could set a new standard for foldable phones. The Z Fold 7 might just be the breakthrough that makes foldable tech a common choice for everyone. That's all for today about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more contents like this.